alphabet letter that comes after D?
E.
Yes, correct. Well done. Hello guys,
welcome back to our channel Manvi Kids.
आपने कभी ना कभी अपने बच्चों के लिए किंडर जॉय तो लिया ही होगा, पर क्या कभी आपने इस किंडर जॉय से कोई गेम प्ले किया है? नहीं ना। इस बार हम लोग एक नई गेम लेके आए हैं और उस गेम का नाम है किंडर जॉय अल्फाबेट गेम। तो अब किंडर जॉय से सिर्फ चॉकलेट और टॉय ही नहीं है, उसके अलावा उसके अंदर से एक अल्फाबेट और उसके साथ एक क्वेश्चंस भी निकलेगी। और अगर मानवी उस क्वेश्चंस का आंसर देती है तो शी विल गेट दैट किंडर जॉय, और अगर वो नहीं देती है तो फिर ये किंडर जॉय मेरी हो जाएगी। तो मानवी, आपको किंडर जॉय खानी है?
हाँ पापा, मुझे खानी है।
So let's begin the game. Okay, so how many kinder joy we have? Can you count first?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10 kinder joy. We have 10 kinder joy. So let's first unpack the first kinder joy. Okay? You want to unpack it?
Yes.
Okay.
It's that one.
I can help you. Let me show you. Just keep it here.
You want to that?
Yay. So ये सो अब इसके अंदर में क्वेश्चन है और टॉयज भी है। सो लेट्स सी व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन। दैट्स अ चॉकलेट।
Oh, this
सो
is
या यू कैन ओपन दिस वन। वो
And
कौन सी है?
V.
यू कैन शो दैट। सो इट्स वी।
The daddy.
वी एंड क्वेश्चन क्या है? क्वेश्चंस क्या है? व्हाट इज द टॉयज?
Here. Another clam toy.
What is that?
A clam.
Clam. Okay, but see, here is the question. So let me see what is the question. So we have alphabet B. We got that alphabet B, and then the question is any fruit name that start with letter V. So the question is, can you say the fruit name that start with letter V?
Yes.
Do you know?
No, there's no letter. There's no fruit would begin with that letter.
No,
No. No.
I think so. There is a
No. Kiwi starts with key.
think.
There's no one. All is vegetable.
There is no fruit with letter V.
No. Now, the kiwi is not any fruit.
Okay, so just you keep it because you did not say the answer, so you are not going to get it. Okay, now you can pick the another one. Yay! Wait. This is the chocolate, I think. So keep the chocolate here, and then see
Yes.
Oh,
D. Wow, a new one.
what is that? It's a watch. But keep it for now. First, see what is the alphabet and what's the question.
Here's some. I got it. What's this? This. Here we go.
Okay, so what is the question? So it's letter D, and the question is alphabet letter that comes after D. So the question is, can you say the alphabet letter that comes after letter D?
E.
Yes, correct, well done.
Now I'll have the Kinder Joy.
So yeah, so you gave the right answer. So you will get this Kinder Joy. So you got one Kinder Joy and also
And nobody get this Kinder Joy.
yeah, and also the toys. Okay?
Yes.
Okay.
But look, this blue.
Yeah. So you got one Kinder Joy. So you can keep it here for now.
Now I'm going to.
And then you can pick the another one.
I'll take this one.
Can I help you?
No, I can do it by myself. This is hard.
I can help you.
No,
Yeah. So this is the chocolate. So just keep it here. Oh.
this is O. Letter
What is
O.
that? What is this letter?
Letter O.
So it's a letter O, and and again the
Yes.
same toys.
Yes.
Wait.
That's it. Okay.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
two
two.
toys. It's the same toys.
Yes.
Okay, but first you have to see what question is. You got okay. So the question, so you got letter O, and the question is, can you say the month name that start with letter O?
October.
Oh, good. Good. So now you have 2 Kinder Joy.
I wanted 2. Yay.
Yay.
And now how many you want, Dad?
I have 1, you have 2. So just keep it here, all the Kinder Joy.
Yes.
So now you got 2 Kinder Joy. Now you can pick another one.
This one.
Yes. Okay.
Now another spoon, but
Wait.
this one.
Oh,
You.
it's letter U.
A spoon and this.
And where is the question?
Here's the question.
Oh,
In the
there.
green paper.
Oh.
And
Wait.
Wait. Here we go, Dad.
Yeah. So it's letter U. Whoa, what is that?
Another clown.
Okay.
And this go together like that.
And I'm going to see what is the question. So, oh, okay. It's a hard question now. So it's I, and the question is, can you say the country name that starts with letter I?
Easy peasy. India.
Oh, yay. You just took 3 seconds to answer the question. Wow, you are doing good.
Because I know it's easy peasy. The country name is India. I live in India.
Yeah. And the question is, can you say the planet name that starts with letter U?
Uranus.
Oh, yes. Good. You got one more Kinder Joy.
And now this one.
Okay, so now keep this. So, wow, you have 3 Kinder Joy. And now
3, Mama.
you have 3 and I have only 1. Okay, what is that? What letter is that? What is that letter?
E.
So it's letter E. And what is the question?
The question is pink paper.
Oh, and it's a nice toy. Can you read the question?
No, I can't.
I can just, let me check what is that question.
And this is so cool.
So it's a letter E. It's letter E. And your question is, can you say any animal name that start with letter E?
Elephant.
Yes. Good. You got one more.
Daddy, look, I fixed it.
Yes.
It's down like it. I fixed it.
Oh, what is that?
It's a mouse.
Mouse. Okay.
Yes.
So how many Kinder Joy now you have?
4.
4.
Now this one.
Okay, so now you have 4 Kinder Joy.
That's why there's a hole there.
You can pick another one.
This one.
Wait. I'll pick. Wait. No. Keep it there.
4 more left.
First here.
4 more left, Daddy.
I will pick this one.
This one is pinky for
Let's see what is there inside. Oh,
I. It almost.
it's letter I.
And
What is our country name?
India.
Yeah.
This is a food.
And then this is the next one. What is that letter? First you show the letter.
It's letter S.
So it's letter S.
And where is the clue gone?
It's there.
Oh, this.
It's here. And the question is here. So I'm going to see what is the question. Oh, it's not easy, I think. So it's letter S. And the question is, can you say the color name that starts with letter S?
No color.
Question, think. Try.
There's no color there.
I think there is one color. No?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
But I know one color name that start with letter S. I
No.
know.
No.
You know if you know any color name that start with letter S, please comment. Okay. Okay, so you are not going to get this one because this answer. Now the next one is
What? Lot of Kinder Joy coming. Hey, don't be open. Oh, no. See. Ooh, this is a...
oh, what is that? So it's a letter C. And what is that toy?
These are pretty.
Okay, but I'm going to see what is the question. Wow, it's very, very hard.
Yes.
You know the question?
Yes.
So it's a letter C.
But
And-
it's not silly.
No, wait. And the question is, can you say the alphabet letter that comes before letter C?
Before. B.
Good.
I have...
So you got one more Kinder Joy.
Uh-huh.
So how many Kinder Joy you have now?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. And I had 2.
Yes.
Okay, so
No.
so now we have 2 more. So let's see what is there inside.
That is this one.
Okay. Right. Oh.
Ooh. I'll
Oh.
have the toy and you have the chocolate.
I want to eat chocolate.
But you have all two.
What is that letter?
B. But it didn't have magnet.
Oh, it's letter B.
There's an
And
octopus.
where is the question? You can see what is the toys and then I will see the question.
Ooh, these ones are awesome.
Oh, I think it's easy.
Yes.
So
We're not hard.
it's letter B and your question is, do you know any vegetable name that start with letter B?
Broccoli.
Yes, right. Good.
One
So
Kinder Joy left.
yay. So now you have total how many Kinder Joy? 7 Kinder Joy. And this is the last one. Give me. I can open
I
it for
think
you.
I will win this one.
You have already got 7 Kinder Joy. And this is the last one. And let's see what is there inside.
This is the clue and the surprise.
And what is that letter?
Eight.
Oh, it's letter H.
Eight.
And what is this toy?
Look it in the instruction.
Okay,
Dad.
we'll see that. But what is the question? Oh, it's not easy. I think this is. I am going to win this. I am going to get this Kinder Joy. You know. Okay, so it's letter H, and the question is, can you say the body part name that start with letter? Oh. You got the point again. So you got this Kinder Joy also.
And let's count.
So how many Kinder Joy you have? Can you count it?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6, 7, 8. Oh, 8 Kinder Joy. And I have 1 and 2. And can you see what are the toys you got?
this. So many toys. I love all of these toys. These are my bestest toys.
Did you like this game?
Yes, Dad.
Okay, so next time whenever you're going to ask me to buy Kinder Joy, I will ask you one question, and if you say the right answer, then you will get the Kinder Joy. Okay?
Yes.
तो कैसा लगा आप लोग को हमारा ये गेम? है ना मजेदार? तो नेक्स्ट टाइम आप भी अपने बच्चों के साथ इसे अपने घर में प्ले कीजिए और हमें हमारे कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर बताइए और प्लीज लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye.